Hello everyone, welcome back to our UiPath Apps Zero to Hero series. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of UiPath Gen AI Activities and how you can start using them in UiPath Apps. UiPath Gen AI Activities are new addition to the UiPath ecosystem, enabling you to integrate generative AI capabilities into your automation workflows. These activities harness the power of AI models, allowing you to generate text, images, or perform advanced AI-driven tasks, all within UiPath apps. So let's get started. First of all, we need to navigate to the integration service, and there we need to establish a connection with UiPath Gen AI Activities, and after that, we can utilize those activities within our apps. To get started, first of all, we'll navigate to the integration services. Once we are in the integration services, then first thing you have to check is your tenant. On which tenant you want to activate those activities. After you have selected a particular tenant, then you can go to the folders. So based on your folder choice, you can use any folder. So I'm using shared one. And after that, then we have connectors, connection, triggers. These are the tabs which are available in integration services. And here in the connectors search bar, I'll type UiPath Gen AI Activities. And after that, you can see I'm getting these activities. Now we have this UiPath Gen AI Activities available. So first thing, I will establish a connection with UiPath Activities. Then you can see I can build an automation in Studio Web from scratch. Then I can use template, or I can utilize those activity in desktop as well. And the main highlighted point is these are different activities currently UiPath Gen AI Activity offers, right from content creation to image analysis, signature analysis, sentiment analysis, object detection, then translation, and many more. First thing we'll do is we'll establish a connection. To establish connection, I have to click on connect to UiPath Gen AI Activities, and then I will get connect to UiPath Gen AI Activities, this authentication part, and I can simply click on connect. That's it. After that, your connection will be established successfully. We have established a connection. Now we'll navigate to the UiPath apps, and there we'll use this Gen AI activities. So I'll navigate to the UiPath apps. I will create one new app for Gen AI, and I'll simply click on create. I'll use blank template only. After I have created one app, then I need to click on add any, and then you can see I have option called connections. Currently it is in a preview phase, but it will be available soon for public preview. So I can click on connection, and after that you will get a prompt to select a tenant. And after you selected a particular tenant, then you'll get a prompt to add a connection. So here our connection is UiPath Gen AI Activities. So this is the connector available. So after I have selected a particular connector, then I'm getting a prompt to choose a connection. So prior we already did establish a connection with particular authentication, and I'll select a particular user, and then I can click on add. After I have clicked on add, this particular connector has been added to my UiPath apps. Now if I go to main page and go to the events, and in create rule, if I drill down, you can see I'm getting UiPath Gen AI activities. If I expand this drop down, then you can see I'm getting number of activities which are related to Gen AI activities, starting from categorize, content generation, image analysis, image compression, rewrite, sentiment analysis, signature similarity, translate. So there are multiple activities which are listed over here. For now, we have established a connection. Now Gen AI activities are available for us to use. In the next video, we are going to see each and every activities, how we can leverage that in UiPath apps. So stay tuned for more exciting videos on UiPath Gen AI activities. Until then, thanks for watching and happy automation.